Hello everyone, today is December 13th and we're looking at the Trade Scalper signal, specifically the signal that just popped up here at 46.6550 to enter short. Now before you begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Now if you use a limit order, remember limit orders is you get that exact price or better. If you use a market order,
order filled,
you may get a tick of slippage because the liquidity in the E-mini S&P is pretty healthy unless there's a lot of volatility. You could also use market if touched orders, and I like market if touched orders because I could use them in such a way where I place an order like a limit to get filled, and as soon as it touches that price, I get instantly filled at market. I can still get a tick of slippage, but it's normal. So usually we get a tick of slippage, maybe the exact price we want, or it could be a better price, but using a market if touched order has an advantage, especially when you want to exit at profit. It's a great way to get out of a trade to exit on a market if touched order. Now the idea behind using the Trade Scalper is to look at an opportunity for a very quick in and out type of trade. In this case, it's about 2 points that I'm looking for, 2.25 points based on the ATR on this trade, and that's based on the current conditions. Remember, we can't trade and have the same target and the same stop in every situation that arises in the market. If the market is strong, we have to adjust. If the market is slow, we also have to adjust with a smaller target and a smaller stop. And what I teach is the ATR, the average true range, helps us identify that. So looking at this, I can see on the ATR it's 2 points, 2.25 points. That blue line there allows me to know what I can expect out of this trade. So that's very specific. I have a specific entry on the Trade Scalper software, so I know exactly where I want to go short. And now it's just a bit of a waiting game, usually 4 or 5 candles, not too much longer. If you're using a 1-minute chart, I don't really want to be in the trade for more than 5 or 10 minutes. In this case, it seems as if right away it's going in my favor. And if the trade doesn't make the profit,
target filled,
you're out of the trade. So in this case, it hit my profit and I'm out of the trade. I'm going to add now the labels that indicate where I entered it and where I exited. Going to data series and scrolling to the bottom where it says plot executions, and that way you can go ahead and choose text and marker or just markers, and you can see exactly where you enter and where you exit. And this is a great feature because now I can see where did I actually enter into this trade and where did I get out of this trade. Did I do it right? Did I follow the rules? So this is very important. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to DayTradeToWin.com. I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.